Hello everyone, my name is Hiren. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Google certifications. You can get certified for free, start making money online at businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for people to do this job for them. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that coming up next. But before we get started, if you're new here, and you like videos about making money online, working from home and entrepreneurship, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also tap on the phone notifications down below. This lets you know whenever I post a new video. Alright my friends, so without any further ado, let's get right into it. So what you want to do is type in skillshop.withgoogle.com, and this is the website that is going to certify you by Google for absolutely free. So you're going to be getting absolutely free training, and these skills are very much needed out there for some businesses. They'd rather hire some people like you, especially if you're certified to do this like it says. You master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. Develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google products expert. Learn at your own pace and get Google products certified. So that is pretty cool because you can do one of these certifications today and do another one tomorrow. Take a few days off, get them all done if you want to get them all done. It's not necessary to get them all done, but if you would like, you can get them all done. So here are the free trainings. Find free online product training and certifications right for you. So these are all the free certifications. So Google Ads, we know how important that is for businesses, and some businesses that just don't know Google Ads. They know that they want to put out AdWords out there, but they do not know how to set them up. You can set them up for them and get paid good money for that. Okay, it will take you maybe like 30 minutes to set up an ad. I have done this before without a certification. Of course, you would be more skilled at this. You would actually take their training. But even if you attempt to create Google Ads, it's nothing like being certified and actually creating a business around it. You can also get one on Google Marketing Platform, Google Analytics, Google My Business is one of their new programs. Also, you'd want to be certified with Google Ad Manager because there are companies that really need stuff done for them as well. They can learn how Google Ad Manager can help you earn revenue for your ad. This is something that companies are actually looking for. Google Ad Mob is for their inventory. Then you also have Authorized Buyer. Waze is a certification on Google Map as well. So these are all free for you, and these are very important. So if we actually go ahead and check this out, the Google Ad certification, you actually want to first come over here to Google Ad Search and learn this first. Learn the fundamentals of Google search campaigns and Google Ads certification. These are all the Google Ads. You can be certified in all of these, and each of these will take you maybe a few hours to complete. So this is Google Ad Search certification. You can go ahead and read through here. There are all these modules to complete. What you want to do is go through these. Some of them are about 15 minutes long, 30 minutes long, 11 minutes, 9 minutes, 20 minutes. So you can do them at your own pace. You can go ahead and check your knowledge right here with an assessment, which gives you like a refresher on everything that you've just learned. And then to get certified, you need to take this. This is the Google Ad Search Assessment. So you will do that whenever you are ready. Okay, that is a requirement. You have to complete this, okay, to receive your certification. So this is how you can do Google Ad Search certification. I'm also going to show you how you can go ahead and find these jobs. If you are enjoying the content so far, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and like this video. Alright, let's keep on going. Alright, so right now we are on itpeopleperhour.com. This is a website where business will come here and look for freelancers to actually do a variety of different projects. You can charge per hour, or they can even pay you per hour, or you can also choose the fixed rate. Now if you actually go up here to search projects, we are going to go ahead and take a look at how much you can make and what projects are out there. So we're going to go ahead and search for Google Ad Manager. Click on the arrow here. So as you can see here, one Google Ads professional wanted. This is a fixed price of $283. Once you figure it out, once you do it a couple of times, you will be really good at this. And if you are certified and you're taking the training, you're gonna know exactly how to do this. Google Ads Campaign Manager needed here. This one is Google Ads Specialist, a fixed rate, offer $109. Google Ads Manager account setup and management $32 per hour. We actually go back here. You're going to see that there's a certification for this. So you want to go ahead and take this, the Google Ad Manager one, and you definitely want to take the Google Ads one. Okay, so it will take you a few days to complete if you do both of these, and then you can move on to the other ones whenever it is that you are interested in. And if you come back here, you can just tell them that you're certified with Google, so that makes you look even better and you can actually get more jobs doing this. Alright, so another place that you can go to right here on Fiverr.com. So actually search for Google Ads. As you can see here, you have someone who's starting at $100 and they will manage and optimize your Google Ads AdWords PPC campaign. So they'll manage your account, and that's right here, Google Ads Manager. So those are the two that you want to get done for sure, because that is the most necessary in the marketplace. As you can see, these guys right here, they're pro verified, which means that these gigs is offered by Unrivaled Talent Verified by Fiverr for quality and service. You can also become pro verified, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So these guys start at $300 and it goes up from there. You can charge prices like this. This guy is pro verified and he is starting at $795. He's got 5 stars. He will manage and optimize your Google Ad Manager PPC campaign. That is what you would be learning, and that is what you're getting certified for. So you can start making money like this. And if you actually click on his gig, he's got a basic which is $795, $980 is his premium, and $1,200. So if you're like, how am I going to be doing that? I understand why it would be intimidating to actually apply for pro verification. If you can go through the process of actually applying, you would actually get some sales and you can provide really good customer service, so you're in good standings and you can get really good reviews. Then you can apply, plus you're also verified, so you can start earning money like this. $300, $795, $100 for basic. So if you're really serious about this, then you should really consider trying to become a pro seller on Fiverr with a gig like this, because you would have an actual certification. And if we actually click on here, this is for frequently asked questions. So what is Fiverr Pro? Apply for Fiverr Pro is open to everyone, professionals, freelancers who are new to Fiverr, as well as long-time Fiverr sellers. So you can go find the application page and the requirements right here. So you can definitely check out the requirements. If you check this question out, how does Fiverr decide whether I'm eligible to become a pro seller? Fiverr business buyers want the very best. So Fiverr business buyers want the very best. We therefore require pro candidates to go through a vetting process. We'll ask you to tell us about your professional background, your higher education, notable projects you've worked on, etc. Once we get to know you, we will evaluate your application form and notify you whether you were found eligible to open a pro gig. And after you get some projects under your belt, you'd let them get to know you and let them know your higher education. Definitely let them know that you are certified with which is a big accomplishment, because now you have certification for this specific gig, which is a plus, and that can help you become a pro seller. So definitely look into this so that you can make as much money as possible, so that you can start charging $795. Companies that come over here, they want the best. They know that it is worth the money to have their campaign set up and their ad set up properly. So this one is Fiverr. You can go ahead and check this one out as well. Alright, so another one to check out is Upwork. I just typed in Google Ads and I just want to show you how much money some of these people are making that have been on here doing this for other people. This guy makes $45 per hour. He is a pay-per-click advertising expert. Google AdWords. He also does Facebook ads. Over here he charges $105 per hour. He's earned over $700,000 on this website. He has worked 10,000 hours, so he has been here obviously for a few years doing this. And guess what he does? He does Google AdWords. He also does Facebook ads. He also does Facebook ads. Over here he charges $105 per hour. He's earned over $700,000 on this website. He has worked 10,000 hours, so he has been here obviously for a few years doing this. And guess what he does? He does search, display, video, and Google Shopping. So if we actually go back, this is Google Ads certification. These are the certification that you can get. Everything that he does, that he gets paid $105 per hour for, is on here. He does Google Ads search, he does Google Ads display, Google Ads video shopping ads. So he does all of these, and that's ready for you, so you can learn it for free and actually become certified in it. After you've done this for a while, you can go ahead and charge something like $105 per hour like he does. And also he says he's been doing this since 2016, so that's just been a few years and he's making this much money now. So if you really focus on this, and you can really make good money doing it. There are other people on here. This guy does Google Ads campaigns and he charges $100 an hour. This guy charges $125 per hour, $400,000 earned on this. Okay, so the training is definitely out there for you for absolutely free. Look into this if you want to make some money online. You can even do this part-time. You can pick up a couple of hours, you can pick up a couple of jobs here and there while you do something else until you develop your skills. So if you actually want to make money online, you have to be skilled at something. This is a good way to learn because it's absolutely free. So this is the website that you're going to go to, skillshop.withgoogle.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.